Hi everyone. Wish you a happy and safe Diwali. We are at Decathlon showroom. We came for the window shopping for the cycle. Here you can look at different cycles for the girls, boys, men and women. We are just looking at the kid cycles. This is for our baby. She's 3 years old. Price range starts from the 89 pounds and above it is still 200 pounds, and the cycle accessories price is extra at Decathlon. So these are also different price range for the seat extra price, for the bell extra price. So even though it is fitted in the cycle, they have mentioned the price for that accessories on the top of the cycle. Here, this is the cycle accessories section: helmet, bottles, bags, lights. Please just visit the Decathlon to buy a best cycle for yourself and for your family members. Thank you.